I've had a lot of memorable cases in my decade plus working insurance defense, but there's one that sticks out in particular. It was a slip and fall case where we were representing the International Renaissance Festival. The gentleman had an unfortunate accident where he was on an outdoor boardwalk, slipped and fell, and suffered a personal injury. It's not an uncommon situation in the type of case that I get. But why it sticks out for me is that it's one of the first cases that I handled without any particular oversight or managing from any senior attorney here. It was my case to run with from start to finish, with my colleagues available for any questions or second thoughts or considerations. At the end of the day, we got a great result in the case. Federal court granted our motion for summary judgment. So anytime you get a good result for your client, it's a good day and it's a memorable case. The reason this one stands out, in addition to being primarily an independent effort for me, is that it was really an opportunity to see both the forest and the trees, so to speak, in terms of how to effectively manage an insurance defense case. And what I mean by that is, when you're a new attorney and when you're working for a more senior attorney, a lot of times you get very task-driven. You're assisting the senior attorney, and he or she is explaining why things are done, but you're focused on the task and you don't necessarily see the bigger picture. In this case, the ability to have the agency and autonomy to run the case, to think strategically, to go into a deposition with the plaintiff and understand exactly the facts that I wanted to elicit from him, to use those facts in a motion for summary judgment, and for the court to agree with my analysis and ultimately get a positive result for the client, was a great feeling and something I continue to think about today, not only as a benchmark, but as a way to best approach all the cases I get from here forward.